Hi everybody, welcome to ePrime for this evening. I'm Daedran. Carnival bans call on government for relief on customs fees for costume materials. Bedazzled headpieces, massive backpacks and stunning frontline costumes. Each year, the designs become more extravagant and more expensive. This year, a costume can cost between $450 and $1,300.
The part that I don't want anyone to miss, without the actual Sunday of Pretty Massa and going up on the road, all of the other pieces collapse. Not the events, not everything collapses, because the tourist first buys the costume and that's when they start to look at the other events.
However, Tourism Minister Edmund Bartlett says Carnival Band should also explore using local materials and talent.
We have to drive a more indigenous content in the costumes and so on. We have to utilize more of our local assets and to convert those local assets into the outcomes that provide the beauty and the excitement and the charm, you know, and the flair.
We would much prefer to use a lot of the local materials, and the truth is, as Carnival grows, the local suppliers are catching up. They're understanding what the craft requires. So I mean, in this space you need wire benders, so you need that wire framing. You know, is that here? Yes it is, but do we have the skilled people to bend the wires? We're getting there. When you talk about feathers, we use a lot of ostrich feathers. People don't know that. We don't have that. But I do understand the whole grow local mentality, and that's not something we'd be opposed to, but it's going to require a massive cultural shift in who is visiting to accept a costume that may not have the ostrich feathers and may really just have some chicken feathers with paint.
Responding to the request, Minister of Culture and Entertainment Olivia Grange said the Green Paper on the National Policy for Culture, Entertainment and the Creative Economy tabled in Parliament last year will address these concerns.
It's something that what you're asking about would also be taken into consideration, as well as promoting local material and promoting local talent.
While bands welcome the move and look forward to the Green Paper becoming law, Exodus Carnival CEO Pierre Gov't says the change is long overdue.
We obviously understand the economic importance of the government collecting duties, fees, taxes, permits, etc. But we understand also what it is as an entertainment business to operate in this country and the costs associated with it.
Now, Michael B. Jordan wins Best Actor at the 2026 Oscars for Sinners.
God is good. God is good.
Jordan beat Leonardo DiCaprio in one battle after another, Wagner Moura in The Secret Agent, Ethan Hawke in Blue Moon, and Timothée Chalamet in Martyr Supreme to take the Best Actor award at this year's Oscars.
I stand here because of the people that came before me. Sidney Poitier, Denzel Washington, Halle Berry, Jamie Foxx, Forrest Whitaker, Will Smith, and to be amongst those giants, amongst those greats, amongst my ancestors, amongst my guys. Thank you everybody in this room and everybody at home for supporting me over my career.
Now, he's only the 6th black man to win the Best Actor award in the show's history. That's it for ePrime this evening. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.